There's an apex in there.
The apex comes securely packaged in a plywood crate with the lid secured with 14 steel screws. The scooter itself is well protected with its components wrapped safely with foam tubing and bubble wrap, and is strapped to the floor of the crate with packaging cords. After removing some of the packaging material and snipping the packaging cords, I was able to lift the scooter out onto a motorcycle stand for a very basic assembly procedure. Once you lift the scooter out of the crate, there's another box which contains the charger, and that's it.
Fully sealed variable frequency charger.
And that there's the part that plugs into the scooter. Not really sure what the scientific name is, but that's what it looks like.
There it is. That's what it looks like, fully unboxed. The only real step assembly-wise is to install this handle. 4 bolts with I think 4mm Allen keys. You do have to adjust this to your weight. There's a pump that comes with this. Oh yeah, I should show you that. Let me show you that. Just like a bicycle pump, really. Gotta do it manually. Gotta gauge. So these bolts got to come off for the handlebars to go on. You use a number 4 Allen key to do that. Just noticed there's a little washer, so don't want to lose that. I don't know, you can do that with carbon fiber, but that's pretty cool. Not a bad idea. You gotta do it in the star pattern, right? I think everyone knows that. I guess that's it for the initial setup. You just gotta unfold it, lock in the steering pole, and then just put these handlebars on it.
My apex was sent out without a stand and the bump stops installed, so I got this box a few days after the scooter. So Matt just sent me the video and the bump stops. They go right in here. Here are the bump stops. And here's the stand. When you get one of these scooters, they have no kickstand or anything. Everyone knows that, but this is what you get.
There you go. turn it on. I want to try this thing out. Actually, that's interesting. It's pretty short throw. A little bit that way, a little bit that way, which makes sense. You can't just be winding all day. So this button right here is how you turn it on. I don't know if you could hear that. That was kind of light, but there's like a little electronic sound. I guess signals that it's powered on. These are solid feeling. Here's a look at these ventilated rotors, they call them. Interesting. So I've powered it on. You can see that it's a little blue light and it made this little electronic sound, but this is what I want to try first time throttling up. So I noticed the back one's spinning a little hard. I'm guessing that's probably because they have a little change in the bias. I know you can adjust how much power goes to each wheel. It's crazy. We'll see this in action soon, but I hope you guys like that. Unboxing of the Apex. Yeah, as soon as the weather breaks, we're gonna see it in action. I'm gonna find out exactly how fast this thing is.